Open source software is a type of software whose source code is made available to the public, allowing anyone to inspect, modify, and enhance it. The concept of open source software has revolutionized the software industry by promoting collaboration and transparency. One of the earliest and most influential examples of open source software is the GNU project. Started by Richard Stallman in 1983, the goal of the GNU project was to create a free Unix-like operating system, which led to the development of the GNU General Public License, GPL. This license allows software to be freely used, modified, and distributed. Another milestone in the open source movement was the creation of the Linux kernel by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Combined with GNU software, this led to the creation of the GNU Linux operating system, which has become the foundation for numerous distributions used worldwide. Open source software has led to the development of many widely used applications and platforms, including the Apache web server, the Mozilla Firefox browser, and the Python programming language. It has fostered a collaborative environment where developers from around the world can contribute to and improve software, driving innovation and making high-quality software accessible to everyone.